Okay, let us proceed now for the methods for solving equations of order 1. Okay, for the topics, we have the separation of variables, homogeneous equations, linear coefficients in two variables. Now, for the introduction, we have a solution of a differential equation in the unknown function y, and the independent variable x is a function y of x that satisfies the differential equation. One main objective of differential equation is to find the solution in terms of a function or relation. There are different methods may be employed in solving equation. The three methods of solving first-order differential equation is the separation of variables, also known also known as the separable variable or separable differential equation. Then we have homogeneous equation, linear coefficients in two variables. Now, for the separable differential equation, there are differential equations m x of m of x and y dx plus n of x y dy with variable separable. The first order separable differential equation is of the form a of x dx plus b of y dy equal to 0. You can say that this equation is under the separable equation or separation of variables because we're able to see na magkakasama lahat ng x at lahat ng y. Then, this is called the separation of equations. The solution of this equation is given by, we have integral of a of x dx plus integral of b of y dy is equal to c. Okay. Remember that if you're going to integrate your 0, that would be a constant. Now, for the separation of variable methods, separation of variables method. Okay, we have step number 1. There are 3 steps. Okay, for step number 1, step 1, okay, we write the separable. We write the separable equation. Okay. We have the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to f of x over g of y. Okay, again, we have to, under the separable equation, we have to separate your x from y. Okay, all you have to do is we have g of y dy equal to f of x dx. Kung mapapansin nyo, napagsama natin lahat ng y at napagsama natin lahat ng x. Now, for step number 2, okay, step number 2, okay, integrate each side of this equation with respect to its respective variables. 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 Obtaining the implicit solutions or solution. Okay, di ba? We have integral g of y dy equal to integral f of x dx plus c. Okay, now for step number 3, if possible, solve for y in the implicit solution. In the implicit solution. Getting the explicit solution. Okay. Now, the following illustrate the idea of separation of variables method. Okay. Now, for letter A, we have the derivative of y with respect to x equal to negative x over y. If we're going to use the variable separable, we can say that this one is y dy equal to negative x dx. If you notice, we're able to separate the variable y into variable x. Okay, therefore, this one is a variables separable. Okay, for letter B example, we have dy, derivative of y with respect to x, equal to x squared y. Let us check if we can separate your variable x into y. Therefore, we have dy over y is equal to x squared dx. Therefore, this one is also a variable separable. Kasi we're able to separate your y into your x. Letter C, we have derivative of y with respect to x, which is equal to y plus 1. Okay, let us see. Therefore, we have derivative of y over y plus 1 equal to dx. Again, we're able to separate your y from x. Therefore, this one is a variable separable. Okay, for letter D, we have derivative of y with respect to x equal to x plus y. Okay, if you notice, this one is under the operation of addition. Okay, I don't think I don't think we can separate your x into y. Therefore, this one is under the variables are not separable. Kasi we cannot able to separate your x and your y from each other. Okay, letter E. You have dy over dx equal to xy plus 1. Okay, again, because of the addition sign, your variables are not separable. Okay, for letter F, okay, we have derivative of y over x dx equal to xy plus y. Okay, if you notice, both the common factor is y. Okay, we can say that this one is y x plus 1. Okay, therefore, we can separate your y into x. We have dy over y equal to x plus 1 dx. Therefore, this one is a variable separable. Okay. Let us try to solve this one. Example 1. Okay. Solve for the derivative of y with respect to x, which is equal to 1 plus y squared. Again, for step number 1, rewrite the separable equation. Okay, we have this one. Then, you have dy over 1 plus y squared equal to dx. Okay, for step number 2, we have to integrate each side of this equation with respect to its respective variables, obtaining the implicit solution. Okay, therefore, this one is integrate for step number 2. Okay, then, if we're going to integrate this one, dy over 1 plus y squared, remember the formula du over a squared plus u squared. This one is equal to what? We have what? Okay, this one is arctan u. Okay, therefore, this one is arctan y equal to x plus c. Okay, therefore, we have this one. Or this one is also y is equal to tangent x plus c. Okay. Number 2. Okay, we have solve for y prime equal to yx cubed. We have what? Derivative of y with respect to x is equal to yx cubed. Okay, therefore, we have dy over y is equal to x cubed dx. Okay, integrate. We have ln y ln y equal to x to the fourth over 4 equal to c or plus c. Plus c. Plus c. Okay. If we're going to simplify this one, we have x to the fourth is equal to 4 ln y plus plus c. Okay, since constant to, pwede natin gawin siya, lagyan natin siya ng LNC para mas madali nating ma-simplify. Since constant, kahit ano pong gawin natin sa constant. Therefore, we have x to the fourth is equal to 4 ln c 4 ln c. Okay, yung y natin, gawin natin dito. Okay, therefore, this is x to the fourth is equal to 4y ln of c. Remember, we have x to the fourth equal to 4 ln y plus ln of c. Okay, copy natin para makita nyo. X to the fourth is equal to 4 ln y, 4 ln y plus ln of c. Para magparehas to, gawin natin kasi c naman constant kahit ano pong gawin natin. We have x to the fourth equal to 4 ln y plus 4 ln of c. Get the common factor, magiging x to the fourth is equal to 4 ln of y plus ln of c. Since this one is from the properties of ln, pwede nating gawing x to the fourth is equal to 4y ln of c. Tama? Okay. Kung multiplication to, magiging multiplication na siya, pwede magiging x to the fourth is equal to 4 ln cy. The same lang po yan. Maalin ang gamitin po natin.